Tempest Court has a hot new listing of an industrial property located in Nkoyaphiri, Mogoditshane. Here you can see the beautiful and spacious reception area. Now we'll take a look at the offices in the property that is 480 square meters and sits on a 2,200 square meter plot. The office spaces are partitioned and are 6 in total. They are of adequate space and all have air conditioners. There is also space for storage where you can store all your files and records. The property also has what could ideally serve as a boardroom. Now we're about to move on to the workshop. The one thing I love about the workshop is how big, well-maintained and fully lit it is. The workshop has separate toilets from the rest of the property, a kitchenette as well as an eating area. For $3.5 million, this property is an absolute bargain.